so good. He kicked the bowl. I've never wanted to eat a pancake so much in my life. Hi, it's me, Mila Martinico, and welcome to another episode of At Home with Mama Mila. I'm excited. Well, first, some bad news. I cannot make a sourdough loaf to save my life. This is the first time in my life, I think the past couple of months, that I've actually been able to keep a sourdough starter alive. I'm great at other sourdough recipes besides an actual sourdough loaf. I don't know what it is, you guys. I make bricks. So if the apocalypse happens and there's like an overabundance of sourdough, I can make bricks for our houses. I don't really know what's the matter with me. But it's fine, because guess what? In all the craziness of me trying to teach myself how to make a dang loaf of sourdough bread, I came up with these pancakes, and my kids love them. And are they very healthy pancakes? No. Okay, it's not fresh milled wheat. It's not whatever, like, it's just delicious. Okay, these are like grandma style pancakes. So let's get on with it and talk about our ingredients. We have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I have a cup of sourdough discard. I have vanilla. We're gonna measure this vanilla with our heart. Baking soda, and we are going to do a teaspoon of baking soda and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. You're probably like, why are we doing that if they're sourdough and they rise? Trust me, they need to go out and up. So we need that. And then we've got a 1/4 cup of sugar. This is organic sugar, that's why it's that color. And then we're going to do a teaspoon of salt and 1 egg. Yeah, and did I say how much milk there was? 2 cups of milk. And let's start making our pancakes. I forgot about the melted butter behind me. Behind me is 4 tablespoons, which is a quarter of a stick of melted butter. Can't forget the butter, it's a sin. Okay, let's add our leavening to our flour. We're gonna add in baking soda and then baking powder, our salt, and our sugar. So we're gonna crack our egg into our milk, and then we're gonna measure that vanilla with our heart, or if you must have a measurement, I'm gonna say a tablespoon. And then we're gonna put in our sourdough discard, and we're gonna mix it all up. Okay, so let's make a well in the middle. Then I'm gonna add my melted butter. And now I'm gonna add in all of the other wet ingredients. We're gonna stir it up. We're not gonna over mix it, but it needs to be mixed well. Now we're gonna let it sit for about 20 to 25 minutes. Let it do its thing. Oh yeah, look how beautiful. It's already starting to bubble. These are gonna be so yummy and fluffy. Have you ever wanted to eat a freaking pancake as much as you do right now? I don't think so. These look so good. They look rustic. They look like your grandma made them. They're beautiful. They smell freaking incredible. I've never wanted to eat a pancake so much in my life. So I'm gonna eat them. They're so good. And I just want to thank you for coming and spending time with me again in my kitchen. Oh my God, the bottom of this is burning the crap out of my hand. There. Don't forget, I love to see you at the restaurant. I love to feed you. I love spending time with you. I love when you come here. But most of all, I love you. I'll see you next time on At Home with Mama Mila. Ciao. Tanti baci.